This should be up to date, hopefully. Guarantee I come back alive, of course, right?
Sir, we don't guarantee anything except the dinosaurs.
Alright, so it'll be worth all the money I'm putting in.
Don't worry, sir. I'm sure it will be. You can head over to that room over there. Mr. Travis will be there. He is your safari tour guide. He will tell you all the instructions and everything you need to know. And just to let you know, if you disobey any instructions, there is a stiff penalty of another $10,000. But Mr. Travis will clear everything up for you.
Very well.
Enjoy your travels.
Afternoon.
Hey man, Travis said he'll be back in a few and we'll grab something.
Yes, I got time. No problem.
Is that what you're wearing for the trip?
Yep. Make sure.
And thankfully, the police are still there. In other news, Senator Keith will be inaugurated as president in a few days. Senator Deutscher, who has been viewed as having very fascist views, seemed angry about his loss.
Thank God Keith's one. Yeah, I don't know if I'd still be here.
Yeah, Deutsche would be like in the worst kind of dictatorship possible. But on the bright side, we're going in real time machine out loud.
This is going to be really good. I can't wait to see the herbivores interacting with one another. This should be good.
Sounds like fun.
Alright, hello man. My name is Travis. I'm going to be your tour guide. Now, before we go on to the trip, there's a few rules I have to discuss. Number one, and I cannot make this any clearer, there's going to be a wooden path laid out for you in the trip. You will not walk off the wooden path. So I make myself clear. It is very imperative that you stay on the wooden path. Even the smallest change, even the smallest little branch moved off the ground, and it could change the entire future. Okay?
I don't understand. Why can't we get off the wooden path? Maybe I want to see the creatures even closer than where I am right now.
Mr. Eccles, right?
That's correct.
Say you did step off the path, and you stepped on a mouse. Well, because you stepped on that mouse, it dies. Because it dies, it's never able to reproduce and make a family. Now we continue to go on. Because that family of mice died, what happens to the foxes? Because that family of mice died, it never was able to make generations of mice, which means the foxes died off. Because they have nothing to eat. Now, because there's no foxes in the land, because all the mice are dead, what happens to the wolves? They need something to eat, right, Mr. Eccles?
Yes.
Well, what happens to the wolves? What are they going to eat? Because there's no foxes around. Well, I guess they're just going to have to starve off, right?
Yeah.
Extinct. Now, if there's no wolves, what happens to the hunters? Hunters need to have food for their families, right? They need to reproduce, they need to have food, they need to keep their families safe. Well, because there's no more wolves, that means there's no food for the hunters. And I guess they have to die.
Okay, so they die.
Now let's just keep continuing on. Because those hunters died, I guess their families never live on. Now say one of their family members happened to be maybe the President of the United States.
Alright.
Well, because he was never born, because the hunters never had any food, because there was never any wolves, because there was never any foxes, because there was never any mice. Well then I guess he's just never going to be in existence. This is why we don't step off the path. Time traveling is too risky. And have an idiot like you step off the path and change the entire future because you want to see some dinosaurs up close. We do not risk that. So, one last time, you will not step off the path. Mr. Eccles, do I make myself clear? Don't worry, Mr. Eccles. You'll see all the dinosaurs you want, as long as you follow the rules. You will follow every one of my orders. Now, when we go back in time, we're going to be observing some herbivores, stegosauruses, things like that. But, under any circumstances, if you come across anything dangerous, do not panic. If you start to panic, we risk all of our lives. Okay? We're going to go into that door and we're going to start the time travel. Follow me.
Very well.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Lesperance. All right, everyone get in position.
We all set? Ready to travel?
All right, Lesperance, are we ready?
I will prep the systems for travel.
Les Bronze, we ready to go? Okay. On my mark. 3, 2, 1.
Sir, we have a bit of a problem.
What's wrong?
Sir, it seems we've arrived a few hours later than expected.
Yes, it does look like we are a few hours later than expected.
So what are we supposed to do? I paid top dollar for this. Come on.
I did as well. I came here to see some dinosaurs. Don't tell me this was all a waste.
What are we supposed to do, sir?
All right. The machine takes a little bit to heat up.
Yeah.
Until then, I guess we can continue forward. But under no circumstances are you allowed to get off the path. Do you hear me? You will follow my every order.
Very well.
All right. Let's go. All right. Here's the viewing area. Set up. Let's see if we can find anything.
All right. It's working. Hold on. I think I see something right over there. That's amazing.
Eccles.
Yeah.
God. I can't. I can't.
No,
killed.
I didn't know. I didn't
If
want
it
to
weren't
step
for
on-
you, we nearly got eaten. And just besides that, you stepped off the path. You
Sir-
could have
sir,
changed the entire
sir,
future.
You need to see this.
What? Oh my God. This isn't right. We're supposed to be back at the time traveling lab.
Sir, we are. This is exactly where we were before.
Ma'am! Ma'am! What year is it?
2055.
What happened to the time traveling facility here?
What are you talking about? That's always been an empty lot.
Who won the election?
Deutscher. Obviously, Keith wouldn't win. He's a weakling.
No, wait. Please think about what you're doing. Please. No, please.
Looks like it's gonna rain tonight.